room 6045 at Fontainebleau. This is the gold room, best view, I think it was called. Again, if you watched any of the other videos, you know that through there is the Noble Suite that I just did a review on. We have the connecting rooms, so it was like having a little small apartment here. It was really nice. Anyway, in here we got the bathroom, separate little toilet area with the frosted glass door, dual vanities, a big mirror, and another great big shower here with a little stool. I don't remember seeing that stool in the one in the suite. All the little fine touches, all the little leather decor things there. Very, very nice. We'll enter into the room here. Another great big mirror. I just noticed this little hooks there too if you want to hang your purse or your robe or your dirty drawers or whatever. Here's the room. Nice little sitting area off to here. Another big king size bed there, so comfy. This little entertainment area there with all the little goodies and whatnot. Down here we got the little mini bar with all the stuff. And of course, like any other room, we got the little tray with all the glassware and doodads and cooling drawer. And back over here, this is going to be your closet where you're going to store all your stuff. Another robe. A little thing where the slippers and everything came in. Steamer up there. Safes in the corner. Little luggage thing. Look at the fancy little coat hangers and that there too. And heading over here, of course, we're looking at the little seating area. Little side table there, good to put your drink on. A little settee there. Bit of artwork, and then the best view is what they say it is, and we're quite pleased with it. You can see just about everything you want to see from this room, unless you want to look, downtown. There's plenty of rooms that will show you that as well. At the convention center and everything, and you can see the West Gate. Checking out the airport there. Planes are just constantly taking off, and they usually fly right in front of this place and over that way there. So if you like checking out some aircraft, or you're a bit of an aviation buff, it's pretty cool as well. All the controls next to the bed there. All your lights and your shears and your drapes. Nice little bench here. This is where our suitcase lived actually for the last little while. I don't know why we just put it there and kept it there. But yeah, that's the view of the Fontainebleau Gold King Best View. Very comfy, highly recommend it. And I have no doubt in my mind we'll be back here. See you guys.